Plie Paidbah ipinang sabhay pi sa piyit kami bagi kubor baman kasi.
Uba Preston tensong simbut menteri rangba ke sorkar jilla haringkat ki weipat ki menteri hapok ke sorkar ki baken thup yo ba Hamlet son doling uba bante dorling do lembat ki MLA na ribhoy ki baken thup yo ba Sostenes Sotun Jason Saukmi Maulong bat uba George Biling do kilalej ban Plie Paidbah ya ke entry checkpoint bat ke felicitation center ke badon hasnong Umling ribhoy district. Laong baka jinglut haka bante kani ke entry checkpoint bat ka facilitation center kalapoy hadu ar klur tam. Kumta habalala ban Plie Paidbah no kate ke entry checkpoint bat ka facilitation center kan sa tray kam ringkat bat ka Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act ar hazar khan rio kabalong kaan kabante per kenya ka jingwan be an ki brio na shabar. Kiwiru ki blas saki lang ha ka Plie ka take entry point ki kintup na nadu uba Victor Rani MDC Kajirang kakong RM Kurba Deputy Commissioner Ribhoy uba N Lamari SP nalor kiwe ki he sarkar bat ki officer nakitana tray kam ba pair nakajilla bat district.
So welcoming to all of them, and I would like to assure our friends coming from outside the state, feel homely, be here with us through your pre-registration or maybe on the spot registration. We are there to help you out. How many days you want to stay in Meghalaya? You are free, just indicate yourself and then the destination that you wanted to, maybe to visit different parts of the state. We are there to help you. So that is the intention of it. Secondly, I would like to inform all of you, the next entry point of facilitation center that we are going to set up very soon. Number one is Bajinluba. Land has been just handed over to the government, and number two is what's that? From the Ratachan. And that also, I'm happy to inform all of you that the land has been handed over to tourism department. So hopefully by next year we will be able to set up similar entry point or facilitation centers in these two places. And the next one is Paidbah railway station. I think in another 2-3 months we are going to inaugurate Paidbah. And the next one is Umling Airport. It's already in place. We have, because today, you should know, today it's a red letter day, both for entry point, and number two is not only entry point, even direct flight from Delhi to Shillong, Shillong to Delhi. Initially, as a small beginning, I just wanted to tell you, twice a week, this flight will fly from and to Delhi. So now, as I said to you, the facilitation center has been already in place in Umling Airport, and number two is Paidbah railway station. Very soon we are going to inaugurate this entry point or registration center or facilitation center, whatever you call it. And I'm sure by doing this, we build up the confidence of everyone, both sides, be it from our own people in the state and also our people coming in visiting our state from time to time.